How often do they successfully like peel back the layer to reveal the truth behind the false domestic allegations? Because whenever I've talked to police officers about them getting calls on that, like the default that they've been told, you just take him away. He's automatically to blame, regardless of what happened, and just throw him in a slammer overnight and you'll deal with it, tomorrow. But you have to remove him from the household if she's scared, sort of thing. And it's not like you even have an opportunity as a guy to have a conversation with law enforcement or even offer an opinion. Like there's a lot of there's a lot of videos that I've seen now that guys have sent to me where it's like women have prepared for their false DV charge by running into a wall or punching themselves in the face, like moments before their husband gets home, and she's on a phone. It's like he walks in the door. It's like, yes, I'm very scared. He just hit me. And he's like, what's going on? Right. This doesn't happen every day, obviously, but this is just one example that has come across my plate a couple times.
Right. I mean, that's a problem. False domestic violence allegations. Domestic violence is a real problem. Let's face that. But people who stage being hurt or run into a wall to try to give themselves a black eye, and then file a protection from abuse petition and try to get the guy out that way. If they're caught, they should be prosecuted. They're lying under oath, but they're rarely prosecuted. The case just gets dismissed. In some jurisdictions, including Pennsylvania, there has to be a hearing within a certain amount of time after an initial hearing takes place. The initial hearing is an ex parte hearing, which means only the person making the claim and the judge. The other side doesn't have a chance. And I think that that's done because they want to protect somebody, and they'll err on the side of maybe not getting it right away, but within 10 days, there's a final hearing and both sides are able to put on their case. But to answer your question, I think there was a case where Amber Heard and he recorded her. So I tell guys, if you're living separate and apart under the same roof, because a lot of people can't afford to move out and you're about to file for divorce, you're not sleeping together, but she has a propensity, or you think there's even a chance, everybody that has a cell phone has a video recorder. So just pull it out and make sure that you've got evidence that what she's trying to do is wrong. And that's one line of defense. The courts try so hard to get these right, but sometimes people are good liars and they're actresses, and you want to get away from that situation. And even if you vet people, they can turn into that. So that video recorder can go a long way. I've used it to defend my clients against bald allegations.
Yeah, there's a comment here from Abram. He says, my ex-wife said that I threatened the family with a gun. Little did she know that I'd taken the gun out of the house 2 weeks prior. She got caught in a lie, and a false report helped me get full legal and physical custody of my daughter.
Beautiful.
You should definitely remove your firearms from your house. If you have a gun safe, just bring it over to your brother's house.